Hello, my name is Daniel Estrate and I'm a software engineer at IBM. After this video, you'll be able to configure and use launching context feature. First, we need to log in with MaxAdmin. In order to create a new launching context entry, we need to go to System Configuration, Platform Configuration, Launching Context Application. Click on Create New Entry Name. We'll call it IBM Support, IBM Support Portal, and the control relay will be a link to IBM Support Portal. Just copy and paste the link, and next we'll be using a blank browser window. Add the support for the application you want. In this case, I'll be using the service request application. Select ESA. Save the launch entry, and next we need to add it to the service request application. In order to do that, we need to go to System Configuration, Platform Configuration, Application Designer. Search for the service request application. Next, we need to create a new signature option. Click on your row. Call it IBM. Description IBM Support Portal. Very important is to go to Advanced Signature Options, select Associate to Launch Entry to enable launching context, and select the launch entry that we just created. Click on OK and save. In order to use it, we need to add it to Select Action menu. In order to do that, select Add Modify Select Action menu and then click on your row. The event type is option. The value is IBM. Position 1 and position 6. You can use any position and position you may want to. Click on OK. Next, we also will be using a hyperlink in order to access the launching context menu. So in order to do that, go to Control Palette and select Hyperlink option. Drag and drop it in any section you want to. Click on Hyperlink, select Properties, and type link to IBM Support. Event type is the signature name. In our case, is IBM. Don't forget to add it as well in the Advanced tab. Close it. Save the changes. Next, we need to enable the rights to the group we may want to use it. So in this case, will be MaxAdmin group. Go to Applications. Search for Service Request Application. And next, search for IBM signature option. Changes. In order for the changes to take effect, we need to sign out and sign in back again. MaxAdmin and MaxAdmin. For the test, we need to go to Service Desk, Service Requests, select any service request you want to. Click on Link to IBM Portal. A new browser window should be opened. This is the page to IBM Support Portal. As well, you can access the launching context from Select Action and IBM Support Portal. The same effect will be to take you to the IBM Support Portal. I hope you find this video useful. Please click on thumbs up if you do so. Thank you.